Students, welcome to KR classes. Learn this formula for exercise 7.4. So let's start exercise 7.4. Question number first, I is equals to 3x square dx and divide by x to the power 6. We can write, students, x cube square plus 1. Okay, here x cube put equals to t and differentiate both sides with respect to x. You will get dt by dx equals to 3x square. Okay, so 3x square dx will be equal to dt. Use this value in equation first. Okay, I will change into dt and x cube is t, so t square plus 1 we can write 1 square. So here we will use this formula, dx upon x square plus a square equal to 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. So now I will be equal to 1 upon 1. A is here 1. So tan inverse t upon 1 plus c, and t value is x cube. T value is x cube, so our answer will be tan inverse x cube plus c. Okay, this is our answer. Next question. Question number 2. I is equal to dx upon under root 1, we can write 1 square, and 4x square we can write 2x whole square. Okay students, we are going to use this formula written here. So we made this formula same. Okay, we can use now formula, but 2x we have to take first t and differentiate both sides with respect to x. You will get dt by dx equal to 2. X differentiation is 1, so 2 dx will be equals to dt by 2. Okay, so dx value is dt by 2, so I will become now 1 by 2 taken outside, and dx here, dx will change to dt, and here we will get 1 square plus t square. Okay, and its answer is half by using formula. Okay students, formula is written upside this formula, half log x, in place of x t is there, plus under root a square is 1 plus t square plus c. And students, t value is here, we have taken 2x, so we will put here 2x, and 2x square is 4x square mod plus c. This is our answer. Next question. Question number 3. Question number 3 is also same, dx upon under root 2 minus x whole square plus 1, we can write 1 square, and put 2 minus x equal to t, differentiate both sides with respect to x. dt by dx will be equals to 2 differentiation 0, x differentiation minus 1, so dx will be equal to minus dt, and I will become minus here, and dt under root 2 minus x is t, so t square plus 1 square, and we will use this formula students again. It will become minus log t plus under root t square plus 1 square mod close and plus c, and t value is students 2 minus x plus under root 2 minus x whole square plus 1 plus c, and we will use here a minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square is students, a square 2 to the 4, b square is x square, and minus 2ab means minus 2 into 2 4 x plus 1 mod close and plus c. So our final answer will be minus log 2 minus x plus x square is here, x square, and minus 4x, and 4 plus 1 is students 5 mod close and plus c. After this students, we will use log property, that a log b is equals to log b to the power a. Okay, a goes to the power of b. Okay, a becomes the power of b inside. So here minus 1 is attached to log, minus 1 into log 2 minus x plus x square minus 4x plus 5. Okay, so this minus 1 is a here, so it will become the power of log. We will get our answer 2 minus x plus x square minus 4x plus 5. And we can make it more simplified version. We can make it more simplified by making it 1 upon, we can write it log 1 upon 2 minus x plus x square minus 4x plus 5. Okay, plus c. This is full mod. So this is our final answer. Okay, this is our final answer. Next question. In next question we will convert 9 into 3 square. Okay, 9 we can write 3 square, and 5 we can write 5 square. So 5x whole square, and under root also there. So we will use here new formula, under root a square minus x square, integration is sin inverse x upon a. Very easy, students. So first we will convert 5x equal to t and differentiate both sides with respect to x. You will get dt by dx equals to 5 and dx equals to dt by 5. So I will be equal to, now I will be what, 1 by 5 we will take outside, and dt upon under root 3 square minus t square. So it becomes same as formula. So a is here 3, so we will apply formula here. A is 3, so answer will be sin inverse t upon 3 plus c, and t value is what, students? T value we had taken 5x, sin inverse 5x upon 3 plus c. This is our final answer. Next question. Question number 5. I is equal to here integration 3x dx. Okay, students, here we can write 1 square plus 2x to the power 4, we can write root 2 x square whole square. Okay, and root 2 x square you will put equals to t, and differentiate both sides with respect to x. You will get dt by dx here, and here you will get 2 root 2 x square, differentiation is 2x. Okay, x. So we are getting x dx value equal to dt by 2 root 2. Okay, so here we got x dx value. So I will become now 3 by 2 root 2. Outside I have taken 3 by 2 root 2 outside. We will get here dt, and 1 is a square plus t square. A square plus t square integration is 1 upon a, and a is here, students, 1 upon a, 1 upon 1 tan inverse t upon 1 plus c. So our final answer will be t, we have taken what, root 2 x square, so we will get tan inverse root 2 x square plus c. Next question, question number 6. I is equal to x square dx and 1 minus x to the power 6, we can write x to the power cube whole square. Okay, now here we will take x cube equals to t, differentiate both sides with respect to x, dt by dx will be equals to 3x square. Okay, so x square dx will be equals to dt by 3. So I will change to x square dx is equal to dt by 3. So 1 by 3 dt by 1 minus t square. Okay, so it is forming the formula a square minus x square. So here a is equal to 1. So our answer will be 1 by 3 into 1 by 2a. A is 1, and log a plus x. A is 1, 1 plus x is t, 1 plus t upon 1 minus t, mod and plus c. Okay, so 2 3 just 6, 1 by 6 log t value is what we have taken, x cube, so 1 plus x cube upon 1 minus x cube plus c. This is our final answer. Next question, question number 7. Here we will divide denominator and separate both. Here x with x, first denominator will go with x, so we will get x upon under root x square minus 1, okay, dx, and minus dx upon here x square minus 1 square. Okay, now students, in first integral you will take x square minus 1 equals to t and differentiate both sides with respect to x. Dt by dx will be equals to 2x, so x dx will be equals to dt by 2. Okay, so integral will become very simple now. This is our integral. Okay, x upon this x dx is dt by 2, so half, and it will become x square minus 1 is t, so under root t, and dx is converted into dt, and minus, we will use this formula for second integral. This integral will change into log x plus under root x square minus a square is 1, okay, mod close and plus c. Now c will come at last when integral will finish. Okay, under root t integration is what, t to the power minus half plus 1 and upon minus half plus 1. Okay, and here it will remain as it is, x plus under root x square minus 1 mod close plus c. Now c will come, and here you can see 1 minus half is half, so, and here 1 minus half is half, so under root t, and t value is, we have taken x under root x square minus 1, and here is half, and 1 minus half is half. Okay, so this 2 will cancel each other, and here we will write same log x plus under root x square minus 1 mod close plus c. Okay, so 2 cancel each other. Now we will get under root x square minus 1 minus log mod x plus under root x square minus 1 plus c. Okay, this is our final answer. Next question, question number this, x square upon x cube square plus, here we can write a cube square. Okay, so x cube we will take t and differentiate both sides with respect to x, dt by dx, and x cube differentiation is 3x square, so x square dx value will be equals to dt by 3. So now I will become 1 by 3 dt upon t square plus a cube square. Okay, now we will use this formula log and x value is, x is here t, so t plus under root t square plus a square, a cube square, okay, plus c, and finally when we will substitute t value is x cube, so we will get x cube plus x cube square is x to the power 6 plus a cube square is 8 to the power 6 mod close plus c. This is our final answer. Next question, question number 9, I is equal to sec square dx under root tan x, we can write tan x whole square plus 4. Okay, 4 we can write 2 square, and here students we will put tan x equal to t and differentiate both sides with respect to x. We will get dt by dx here, and this side we will get 10x differentiation is sec square x. So sec square x dx equals to dt. We will put in I value, so I will become here dt by t square plus 2 square, and its formula is log mod t plus t square plus 2 square, which is 4 mod close plus c, and t value is what? T value is 10x, so we will get log mod 10x plus under root t value is 10x, so we will get 10 square x plus 4 mod close plus c. This is our final answer. Next question. Next question is here. Next question is about how to complete a square. Okay, so students, first step is we have to make x square coefficient 1. Okay, so here x square coefficient is already 1, so first step is complete. Then second step, students, second step is we have to add c square both side. Okay students, we have to add c square and subtract c square. And what is c, students? C is coefficient of x upon 2. Here you can see coefficient of x is 2, so c will be 2 upon 2 equals to 1. Okay, so I will be now here, dx will also there, dx. Now we are getting, students, x square plus 2x. Okay, and this c square is 1. I am writing here that thing, 1 square, and plus 2 here, and minus 1 square. Okay students, and see this, students, this is forming the formula a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square is a plus b whole square. Okay, so we will get x plus 1 whole square, and 2 minus 1 is 1 we can write 1 square. Okay, now x plus 1 equals to, you can put t, so differentiating both side you will get dx equals to dt. Okay students, so I will become now dt upon under root, this is x plus 1 is t, so t square plus a square. Okay, a is 1, so its formula here, formula we will use is log t plus under root t square plus 1 square, which will be 1. So our final answer will be, we have to substitute only t value. T value is x plus 1, so x plus 1 and plus under root x plus 1 square plus 1 mod close plus c. Okay, at last we will get x plus 1 plus under root x square and plus 1 plus 1 will be 2, and then one thing more, students, 2ab will be 2x. Okay, so this is our final answer. Next question, students, next question is I equals to dx upon 9x square plus 6x plus 5. So student, this is quadratic polynomial, so we have to factorize it. To factorize, first step is make coefficient of x square 1. To make coefficient of x square 1, we will take 9 outside, so x square plus 6, we have to divide also here, 6x plus 9 plus 5 by 9. Students, this 6 by 9 will cut by 3, 3 2 ja, and 3 3 ja. Okay, so our next step is we have to get c. C is equal to, I told you, coefficient of x upon 2. Okay, coefficient of x is 2 by 3 and upon 2, so it will cancel each other and we will get 1 by 3. So this numbers square we have to add and subtract to complete our square. Okay, 1 by 9 and dx, and here x square plus 2 by 3x plus 1 by 3 whole square plus 5 by 9 minus 1 by 3 square. Okay, so now we are getting I equals to 1 by 9 dx upon, here students see here, this is a square, this is b square, this is 2ab. So we are making formula x plus 1 by 3 whole square plus 5 by 9 minus 1 by 3 square is 1 by 9. Okay, so now what we are getting, 1 by 9 dx upon x plus 1 by 3 square, and 5 minus 1 is 4, and 4 is, we can write 2 square, and 9 is 3 squares. Okay, 2 by 3 square. So now students, we will use this formula, dx upon x square plus a square is 1 by a tan inverse x upon a. This is very important formula. So a is here students 2 by 3, and tan inverse x plus 1 by 3 upon a is again 2 by 3. Okay, then we will use chain rule also, but chain rule will come and divide d by dx of x plus 1 by 3, and 1 by 3 differentiation is 0, x differentiation is 1. It will not change our answer. Okay, so you can see students, here 3 will cancel this 3, this 9, 3 3 is 9, and 3 2 is 6. So tan inverse, we are getting 3 will go upside, 3x plus 1 by 3 into 3, 3 3 will cancel. So we are getting 3x plus 1 upon 2. Okay students, and plus plus c. Okay, next question number is question number 12, and this is also same students. So our first step is will be what I told you. Our first step is to make x square coefficient 1. To make this, we will take minus outside, so x square coefficient now became 1, and plus 6x, and here minus 7. Okay students, so minus minus will plus, that's why. And now we have to get c. I told you, again I am telling you, coefficient of x upon 2, and coefficient of x is 6, 6 upon 2 is 3. So we get c equal to 3, and now we can write, now we have to add square of c and subtract also. So x square plus 6x plus 3 square minus 7 minus 3 square. Okay students, now minus we will take as it is, but here we can write this is a square, this is b square. So we are making complete square, so x plus 3 square, and minus 7 minus 9 minus 16. Okay, and after this we are getting I equals to dx, and minus will go inside, and we are getting what, 16 we can write 4 square, it will be plus because minus will multiply with minus, minus minus plus, and minus x plus 3 whole square. Okay, here students, we are going to use formula, this formula dx upon under root a square minus x square equals to sine inverse x upon a plus c. Okay, this is our formula. Okay, so we are using here, so we will get answer. What is a students here? A is 4, so sine inverse x plus 3 upon 4 plus c is our required answer. Next question students, I is equal to here dx, here under root x minus 1 into x minus 2. So students, you can multiply this, you will get x square and minus 2x minus x plus 2. Okay, so you are getting dx upon, and x square coefficient is already 1, So our first step is already complete. Okay, next step is we have to get c. I am telling again coefficient of x upon 2. So you are getting minus 3 upon 2. Okay, now we have to add and subtract c. So we will get here I dx upon, we are getting x square minus 3x. We will add here 3 by 2 square, 3 by 2 whole square, and here plus 2. We have to add, we have to subtract also. Here we are subtracting. So this is forming the formula a square plus b square minus 2ab. So x minus 3 by 2 whole square, and don't forget this root. And then we are getting 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 minus 9 upon 2 to the 4. And 8 minus 9 is what, students? Minus 1. So we are forming the formula x minus 3 by 2 whole square and here 8 minus 9 is minus 1. Minus 1 by 4 we can write minus 1 by 2 whole square, students. Okay, now x under root x square minus a square integration is what formula? So its formula is, students, log x plus under root x square minus a square plus c. Okay, and after solving this we will get our answer log x minus 3 by 2. After solving these, students, we will get log x minus 3 by 2 and plus under root x square minus 3x plus 2 mod close plus c. This is our final answer. Next question is also same, I equals to dx. Here, students, x square coefficient is not 1. To make it 1 we will again take minus sign common here. So we will get x square minus 3x and here minus 8. Okay, now we need c. C will be equal to coefficient of x upon 2. Okay, coefficient of x upon 2 is 3 by 2. Again it is coming same. Okay, so now I will be equal to, we have to add and subtract c. So minus here x square minus 3x by 3x minus 8 I am writing after this 3 by 2 square and minus 8 minus 3 by 2 square. Okay, students, now students, this is a square, this is b square minus 2ab. So we are getting here I equals to dx, we are getting x minus, this is forming x minus a minus b whole square it is forming. So here we will get this and minus 8 minus 3 is 9, 9 by 4. And students, 4 8 is 32 and 32 plus 9 will be 41. So we are getting 41 I am writing here. Under root 41 we can write and 4 we can write 2 square. So under root 41 by 2 square minus x minus 3 by 2 square. Okay, students, for this we are using formula dx upon under root a square minus x square, and its formula is sine inverse x by a x by a plus c. So we will get our answer sine inverse x minus 3 by 2 upon root a is root 41 by 2 plus c, and this 2 will go upside and cancel this 2. Okay, so we will get sine inverse 2x minus 3 2x minus 3 upon root 41 plus c. This is our final answer. Next question is question number 15. I is equal to here dx upon under root. Students, here we will multiply here x square, it will become minus a plus b. If we will multiply, then we will get this, and minus minus plus ab. Students, x square coefficient is already 1, we need only c. C will be coefficient of x upon 2, and coefficient of x is a plus b upon 2. So we have to add and subtract c, sorry. So we are getting here x square minus a plus b x, we are adding this a plus b by 2 whole square, and we have to subtract also a plus b upon 2 whole square. Okay, so now I will be equals to dx upon, students, this is a square, this is b square, and here is it is minus 2ab. So this will form formula x minus b, a minus b whole square. So x minus a plus b upon 2 whole square. Okay, now we have to solve remaining part also, that is plus ab. Students, here I am taking direct LCM, and 2 square will be 4, and 4 ab, it will become 4ab minus a plus b whole square is a square minus b square minus 2ab. Okay students, minus will go inside, that's why all become minus, and here 4. Now we are getting, students, x minus a plus b upon 2 whole square, and here you can see, students, 4ab minus 2ab will be 2ab, and minus I am taking outside, so it will become a square plus b square, and it will become minus 2ab, and here I can write 2 whole square. Okay, so we are getting dx upon under root x minus a plus b upon 2 whole square minus a minus b upon 2 whole square, students. So students, we have to learn here, we have to remind our formula, this dx upon under root x square minus a square formula, and its formula is log x plus under root x square minus a square plus c. Okay students, so we will get our answer log x minus a plus b by 2, and then plus mod and c. And students, this whole is here written this. By solving this, students, we will get that thing, x square minus a plus b x plus ab. Okay students, and we can write also this log x minus a plus b upon 2 and plus under root x minus a and x plus a, x plus x minus b, sorry, x minus b mod close plus c. This is our final answer. Students, here we have I equal to 4x plus 1 dx upon under root 2x square plus x minus 3. Okay, so if you will take 2x square plus x minus 3 equals to t and differentiate both sides with respect to x, you will get 2 to j here 4x and plus 1. Okay, so 4x plus 1 multiply by dx value is equals to dt. So our I will become here dt upon under root t. Okay, so under root t means t to the power minus half we can write when we will take it upside, and its integration is minus half plus 1 minus half plus 1 plus c, and minus half plus 1 is 1 minus half half, so under root t, and 1 minus half half 2 root t plus c, and t value is 2x square plus x minus 3 plus c. Next question is also easy, students. We will distribute it. Okay, x upon under root x square minus 1 dx, and plus 2 we will take outside, and 1 x under root x square minus 1 dx. We have distributed this denominator to each term of the numerator. Okay, this will go with this also and this also. So now students, in first integral we will put x square minus 1 equal to t, and we will get 2x dx, 2x equal to first dt by dx, and then x dx value is will be equal to dt by 2, students. Okay, so first integral is now going to become x dx is dt and under root 2 downside, and next we are applying direct formula. This formula, students, dx upon under root x square minus a square integration is log mod x plus under root x square minus a square mod close plus c. Okay, so here we can write direct log x plus under root x square minus 1 plus c we will write after completing this integral, and this integral will be completed by x to the power n integration formula. Okay, students, to 2 log x plus under root x square minus 1. Now t to the power minus half integration is t to the power of minus half plus 1 minus half plus 1 plus 2 log 2 log and x plus under root x square minus 1 plus c, and 1 minus half is half, so root t, 1 minus half is half, 2 root t plus 2 log x square minus 1 plus c, and t value is what, students? X square minus 1 plus 2 log x plus under root x square minus 1 plus c. This is our final answer. Next question, question number 18. Here, students, given is I equal to 5x minus 2 dx, and in denominator we have 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. So students, when we will take 1 plus 2x plus 3x square equals to t and differentiate both sides with respect to x, we will get what? 6x plus 2 equals to dt by dx. Okay, so we are getting 2 plus 6x dx equals to dt, but in numerator you can see here 5x minus 2 is there. So in this case, students, we will use what? We will divide numerator as follows: a multiply by d by dx of denominator. Okay, denominator plus c. Okay, numerator is 5x minus 2, and d by dx of denominator is, students, 2 plus 6x plus c. Now students, you can see 6a we will get by multiplying here and here, c plus what, 2a plus c. Here student, in right side 2a plus c is constant term and 6a is coefficient of x, and here coefficient of x is 5 and here constant term is minus 2. Okay, so now we will equate by equating coefficient of x and constant terms. We will get 5x equals to 6a. okay, 6ax, x will cancel each other. Okay, so a will be 5 by 6, and minus 2 will be equal to 2a plus c. So c will be equal to minus 2a minus 2, and minus 2 multiplied by a value is 5 by 6 minus 2, and 2 will cancel 6, 3, and we will get minus 5 minus 6 upon 3, that is minus 11 by 3. So we got c value. Okay, now this whole integral will become like this, students. A is what, 5 by 6 a multiply by, we are using this, students, this line we are using. Okay, so 5 by 6, 2 plus 6x, and minus sign 11 by 3, and here downside it will remain as it is, 3x square plus 2x plus 1 and dx. Now students, we can distribute this 5 by 6 here, and here 2 plus 6x dx, 3x square plus 2x plus 1, and minus 11 by 3, and downside here dx, and 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Now students, 2 plus 6x dx is equals to dt, so we will write here dt, and downside it is t, and in this side 11 by 3 dx, and students, here we will take 3 common to complete its square, x square plus 2 by 3 will come, and plus 1 by 3. Okay, after this, students, we will put t value, which is 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, and here minus 11 by 9 it will become, and x plus 1 by 3 whole square, and here we will get here 1 by 3 minus 1 by 9. Okay, so here we will use dx by x square plus a square equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Okay, so we will 1 by a, first we have to find what is a. So a will be what, x plus 1 by 3 square, and 3 you will multiply here, LCM will be 9. Okay, 9, and 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 we can write root 2 square, and 9 we can write 3 square. Okay, so x square plus a square integration is 1 upon x square plus a square is 1 by a tan inverse, so 11 by 9, and 11 by 9 multiply by root 2 by 3, and 3 will cancel this 9 and we will get 3 root 2 and tan inverse 3x plus 1 upon root 2 plus c, and this will be remain as it is 5 by 6 log 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, so this is our final answer. Next question is, students, I is equal to 6 plus 7 dx, and here in under root we have x square minus 9x plus 20. Here, students, x square minus 9x plus 20 you can take t, and you will get 2x minus 9 dx equals to dt. Okay, this will be second equation and this is first. And now students, we will split this numerator. 6x plus 7 we can write a and multiply by 2x minus 9 plus b. Okay, and if we will equate both side coefficient of x, you will get 6 equals to 2a and a will be equals to 3, and in this side you will get 7 equals to minus 9a plus b, and a value is 3, so b will be 7 plus 9 3 is 27 plus equals to 34. Okay, so putting this value, I will become now integration 3 2x minus 9 dx and under root x square minus 9x plus 20, and another is 34 dx upon x square minus 9x plus 20. Okay, now first one you can see use equation 2, this equation use in this first one. Okay, so you will get 3 2x minus 9 multiplied by dx is dt. Okay, and x square minus 9x plus 20 is t, so you will get under root t and plus 34 and integration of dx. Okay, and here is under root also, I forget. So here we have to add and subtract 9 by 2 whole square. Okay students, subtract also we have to. So here students, we will get t to the power minus half plus 1 upon minus half plus 1, and here we will make first complete square. Its square will be x, here is minus, so a square minus 2ab plus b square, so it will be a minus b whole square. And students, here you can see 4 2 ja 8, 20 minus 9 9 ja 81 by 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 minus 81 by 4 is equals to minus 1 by 2 whole square we can write. Okay, so this is x square minus a square formula, and here 1 minus half is half, 6 will come upside, and 6 under root t plus 34. Here formula is log mod x plus under root x minus 9 by 2 square minus 1 by 2 square. Okay, plus c, and root t will becomes, t value is, students, t value is x square minus 9x plus 20 and 34 log x minus 9 by 2, and students, this will become same like this x square minus 9x plus 20 plus c. This is our required answer. Next students, I is equal to x plus 2 upon under root 4x minus x square. Here students, 4x minus x square you will take t, and differentiating both side you will get dt equals to x minus x differentiation will be 1, so 4 minus 2x and dx. Okay, this will be equal to, so this we can write first equation, this second, and then students we will split numerator. X plus 2 equals to a multiplied by 4 minus 2x plus b. Now equating both side coefficient of x, here coefficient of x is 1, here coefficient of x is minus 2a, so minus 2a equals to 1, a will be equal to minus half. Okay, and now equating the constant, you will get 4a plus b, and a value is minus half. Okay, so half, 2 2 4, and minus 2 plus 2, b you will get 4. So I we can split into two terms. Okay, x plus 2 we can write now, a value is minus half, 4 minus 2x, and plus b is 4. Okay, and downside it is under root 4x minus x square dx. Okay, so now I will be equals to minus half 4 minus 2x dx, and downside we have 4x minus x square, and next integral is 4 outside, and here we have dx upon 4x minus x square. Okay students, now what we will do here, we will use our equation, 2, this equation. From here 4 minus 2x dx is equals to dt, so minus half dt upon under root t. Okay, and here we will complete our square, minus we will take common because we have to make x square coefficient we have to make 1, so we will take minus common, and x square it will become minus 4x. Okay, and here students x coefficient is minus 4, so minus 4 divided by 2 you will get 2, so add 2 square and subtract also, so we can complete now it's, and 1 upon under root t integration is what, minus half plus 1 and upon minus half plus 1 plus 4, and here dx, and under root minus, we will make here x minus 2 whole square we will write here, and minus here this minus 2 square, so minus is going to become plus. Okay students, 2 square, and here we are getting half will cut each other, and we will get minus root t. Okay, so our final answer will be minus under root 4x minus x square and plus 4 sine inverse x minus 2 upon 2 plus c. Okay, this is our final answer. Next student, next question 21, x square plus 2x plus 3 we will take equal to t, and we will differentiate both sides with respect to x. We will get 2x plus 2 dx equal to dt. Okay, and this dx is, you can make first equation, and this is second equation. Then students, we will again split numerator, x plus 2 equals to a, and multiply by 2x plus 2. Okay, multiply by 2x plus 2 and plus b. Now equating both side coefficient of x, here coefficient of x is 1, So 2a will be equal to 1 and a will be equal to 1 by 2, and here 2 will be equals to 2a plus b, and a value is 1 by 2, so 2 into 1 by 2 plus b, and this will cancel each other. 2 minus 1 is 1, so b is 1. Now we can change I equals to, we can divide I in two parts, which are a value is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 2x plus 2 dx upon under root x square plus 2x plus 3, and next is plus b is equal to 1, and we can write this as, we can write dx upon under root x square plus 2x plus 3. And students, as you can see, x coefficient is here 2, so 2 divided by 2 is 1, so 1 square we will add and subtract, 3 minus 1 square. Okay students, so directly we can do here 2x plus 2 dx value we will use from equation second, and half we can take common, and this will become under root t, which can come in upside, and minus half dt. Okay, and this is now becoming completing, this is completing its square, this is x plus 1 square, 3 minus 1 is 2, so we can write root 2 square, 2 we can write root 2 square, and here half t to the power minus half plus 1, and downside also minus half plus 1. And here students, its formula is dx upon under root x square plus a square, integration is log x plus 1 plus under root x plus 1 whole square plus root 2 square is 2 plus c. Okay, and this 2 will cancel with this, and we will get under root t plus log mod x plus 1 plus, and this will open, and we will get x square plus 2x plus 3 mod close plus c, and t value is what students, x square plus 2x plus 3 plus log x plus 1 plus under root x square plus 2x plus 3 mod close plus c. This is our final answer. Next question students, I is equal to this. Okay, this you can make first equation, and now put x square minus 2x plus or minus, it is minus 5 equals to t, and differentiating both side you will get 2x minus 2 dx equals to dt. Okay, and now numerator we will split into two parts, such as a into 2x minus 2 plus b, and here x coefficient is 1, so if you will compare both side, equate both side, coefficient of x 1 will be equal to 2a, so a will be equal to 1 by 2. Okay students, and here 3 will be equal to minus 2a plus b, and 3 will be equal to minus 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 plus b, and this will cancel, and b will be 4. So I will be converted into two integrals, so this will be 2x minus 2 dx upon x square minus 2x minus 5 and plus 4, integration of what, dx upon x square minus 2x minus 5. Here students, we will divide coefficient of x, that is 2, so we will add 1 square also and subtract 1 square also. So we are getting now by using second also, here 2x minus 2 dx will be dt upon this value is t, so plus 4, and dx upon, we will make here x minus 1 whole square, and minus 5 minus 1 is minus, we can write root 6 square. Here students, we are using this formula, dx upon integration x square minus a square is 1 by 2a 1 by 2a log mod x minus a upon x plus a plus c. Okay, this formula we have to apply in this integral. So our final answer will be I equal to half log t plus 4 multiply by 1 by 2a. A is what, students? Root 6. And log x is x minus 1 here, minus root 6, and here x minus 1 plus root 6 plus c, and 2 will cancel this 4 and 2. So our final answer will be half log mod x square minus 2x minus 5 plus 2 by root 6 log mod x minus 1 minus root 6, and here x minus 1 plus root 6 plus c. This is our final answer. Here students, also it is, this question is also similar. X square plus 4x plus 10 you can take equals to t, and differentiating both sides you will get 2x plus 4 dx equals to dt. Okay, now what we will split numerator into two parts, a 2x plus 4 plus b. Okay, now equating both side, coefficient of x we will get 5 equals to 2a, and a will be equals to 5 by 2, and in this side you will get 3 equals to 4a plus b, and 4 multiply by a is 5 by 2 plus b, and 2 will cancel this 4, 2 5 is 10, and 3 minus 10 is b equal to minus 7. Okay, so this integral integration is now converted into, this will be first and this will be second. So I will be now equals to 5 by 2 I am taking outside, and 2x plus 4 dx here, and 2x plus 4 dx here, and under root x square plus 4x plus 10, and this side minus 7 we will take outside, dx upon under root. Now here we have to make perfect square also, and x coefficient is here 4 divided by 2 you will get 2, so add 2 square and subtract also 2 square, and there is already 110 also. Okay, so finally we are getting, by using second equation also, this equation 2x plus 4 dx is equals to dt. So 5 by 2 2x plus 4 dx is dt upon under root t. Okay, under root t minus 7, and in downside we are getting complete square, that is x plus 2 whole square, and 10 minus 4 is 10 minus 4 will be 6, so we are getting plus root 6 whole square. Okay students, and first one we will get 5 by 2 multiplied by t to the power minus half plus 1 upon minus half plus 1 minus 7 log x plus 2 plus under root. We will by solving this students we will get same this quadratic polynomial. So x square plus 4x plus 10 mod close plus c. Okay, 1 minus half is half, 2 will cancel, 5 under root t, and here minus 7 it will be remain same, x plus 2 plus under root x square plus 4x plus 10 mod close plus c, and t value is what students, x square plus 4x plus 10 minus 7 log mod x plus 2 plus this 4x square plus 4x plus 10 plus c. This is our final answer. So question number 24 students, I will is equal to dx upon, here x coefficient is 2, so divide 2 by 2 you will get 1. Okay, so this one is 1 square you will add and subtract. Okay, 1 square plus 2 and subtract also. So this is forming the formula. Okay, x square plus 2ab plus b square. So you will get x plus 1 whole square, and 2 minus 1 is 1 square. Okay, so this here we will use this formula, dx upon x square plus a square is 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. So here we will get 1 by a is 1 and tan inverse x plus 1 by 1 plus c. So it matches with option B. So B is correct. Next question, students. Next question, students. I is equal to here dx upon under root 9x minus 4x square. Here, students, coefficient of x square is minus 4. So you will take minus 4 common. Okay, because we have to make x square coefficient 1, and 9 it will become minus 9x by 4, and here x coefficient is 9 by 4. So divide 9 by 4 by 2, you will get 9 by 8. So this 9 by 8 square you have to add also and subtract also. Okay, students. Now this is forming formula x square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so we will get here, and here under root also. So due to under root, this 4 will come outside and become 1 by 2, and dx upon under root minus and x minus 9 by 8 whole square, and here we are getting 9 by 8 square. Okay, so at lastly we will get half here, and dx, and minus minus will become plus 9 by 8 square minus x minus 9 by 8 square. Okay, so this is forming the formula dx upon under root a square minus x square. Its integration is equal to sine inverse x upon a plus c. Okay, so our final answer will be half sine inverse x minus 9 by 8 upon 9 by 8. Okay, plus c. So half sine inverse 8x minus 8 multiplied by 9 by 8 upon 9 plus c, and this 8 will cancel each other, and half, you will get half sine inverse 8x minus 9 upon 9 plus c. This is our final answer, and it matches with B option, so B is correct. Students, if you like my video, you can share and subscribe. Thank you.